In this video, we're going to be talking about UFO gaming. We're going to be analyzing the price of UFO gaming, essentially seeing where price is going and basically giving a technical analysis. So before we get into the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. And before investing, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on CoinMarketCap, you can see UFO gaming is currently down 5.37% at the time of recording. You can see here on the chart provided that UFO gaming has been very bearish. It is not looking too good for UFO gaming. Price has just been bearish on the weekly, pretty much on the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly is now in the bearish as well, and the yearly is pretty much bearish. You can see lower highs, lower lows, and it is not looking good for UFO gaming. But we just have to keep waiting, keep pretty much putting our trust within the developers. So if you go over to TradingView, you can see this is how Bitcoin is playing out as of right now. But if you go over to UFO gaming, so yeah, we can see here UFO gaming, you go on the daily because there's not been much price action within UFO gaming apart from bearish, pretty much bearish trend. So yeah, you can pretty much see here that price has pretty much been bearish ever since the 22nd of November. Price has pretty much been bearish. You can see here that essentially price started to become bearish from this words onwards. And then you can see that we did have a huge drop. So pretty much that whole bullish trend was pretty much recovered back. We pretty much came back to square zero again, essentially. When was it? On the 5th of December. So yeah, it didn't last very long. Only lasted about about 8 days. So whoever made your money up there, congrats. But the more of a new pretty much new investors came into this region, you pretty much just have been fisted. Pretty much I had roughly about around about this region as well, and pretty much prices been dropping. There's legit been nothing going on with price apart from bearish. But I thought, okay, today I can give it away because of Bitcoin being bearish. I'll give it. But looking at the overall market, man, like there's been no bullish intent, nothing coming through for UFO gaming. Legit, I think the investors have pretty much just been shafted essentially. Like we've just been shafted. Whoever's been investing in this coin has just been shafted. Like we pretty much has been fisted, and legit like you can see here. Oh yeah, we did have the huge impulse up, but then prices came back down and pretty much didn't even respect any of this demand zones. I had pretty much only respecting this little bit, and we did respect this one. But what happened? Price failed to even tap above the supply zone, and then what happened? Price failed, and it looks like we're now reaching this demand zone again. Let's see here. We were into this demand zone, which looks like we were having a bit bullish momentum coming through. What happens? We are bearish. We're bearish. Man, it's not looking too good. Well, what can I say, man? Legit, I'm just an investor like the rest of you lot, and we're just gonna have to keep putting our trust into the developers and what is coming through for UFO gaming, because currently I don't see this even going near to even a cent or even half a cent. So yeah, it is looking very bearish. Like, but you could easily make like 1,000x on this coin, but the thing is, like, is it really gonna happen? You never know, man. You never know when it comes with UFO gaming. There's a crazy amount of supply. The developers have started to slowly communicate with the community, but not really. They've only been given the weekly updates, the fortnightly updates, but it's not enough. It's not enough for us, man. It's not enough for us to properly be pretty much engaged within the coin. So yeah, that's it for today. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. Peace.